Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. We've got a pretty cool little product to show you guys today. This is the Hawt Boxxx intake. Hawt Boxxx air induction systems, I think is what's on it. But anyways, this is the latest technology in terms of small block Ford. As you can see, it's very low profile in its design. It positions the throttle body upwards, so you're gonna have to completely remove your hood. You notice we have our inlet tube pointing towards the rear. This is gonna allow for maximum cool air as it comes from the cowl area. And more importantly, we need to take a closer look at the Hawt Boxxx intake and notice the welds. This is dirt dobber quality. That's what we inspired the welds after. We think it looks really good. It ties it all together. It's black in color. It's kind of a mismatched grungy black is what we're going for here. Throttle cable bracket's going to be included. This has a nice bend to it. You're going to get these stray markings. So what's cool about this is not one throttle cable bracket's going to be the same. So each one you get are unique to the Hawt Boxxx intake. So that's pretty cool that our research and development guys are able to pull that off. As far as fitment is concerned, we got it here on a little 86 Capri. But really, I mean, you can put on anything fast. You know, just put you some RTV on it and run the bolts down and away you go. So I don't even know if this is making any sense. Maybe we should do something different.
What you want to do?
Y'all ain't ever seen an upper intake manifold like this right here, baby. This is the Hawt Boxxx small block Ford upper intake. Let me tell you something. Look at this cylindrical. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Looks like a damn mailbox, for crying out loud. Got the big old dingle hopper wingus on here, and when this son of a bitch starts doing this, boy, you get all that cold air pushing all the way down in that Hawt Boxxx, baby. On our 85 Capri, get you one.